Hello everyone, it is Saturday. Happy weekend. Well, I am back with 5 ingredient no baked dessert. So this dessert literally takes 5 minutes of your time. You don't have to bake, you just need to pop into the freezer or refrigerator. So here are the ingredients that you need. You need a pack of biscofd, dulce de leche. You can substitute with condensed milk or sugar, and you will also need Philadelphia cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, and whole milk. These are the main ingredients. So I'm going to be using 1/3 of a cup of Philadelphia cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of dulce de leche, and 1/3 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to go ahead and blend all these three ingredients together, and I'm going to come back. Okay, this is what the mixture looks like, and I've already started the process. Here we go. This is what the cookie looks like. So here is the whole milk. So the whole milk, the reason why I am using is just to kind of soften the cookie. So just grab and dip and start layering. So you wanted the cookie to get softer like by the time you started to eat. Okay, you don't want it to be hard and on. If you want a coffee, you can actually use coffee instead of the whole milk. I have done it before and it literally tastes like a tiramisu. So today I'm not using it because my kids are going to be eating this dessert and I don't want it to have any caffeine. So anyways, like I said, it doesn't really take much of your time. 5 minutes. It takes literally 5 minutes of your time, and you just need a fewer of ingredients. Okay, you don't even have to make your kitchen a mess. So anyways, let's go ahead and pour the remaining of the mixture. And you need about 4 cookies. We need to go ahead and put this in a Ziploc bag and crush. Next, you will need a piping bag and a tablespoon of dulce de leche. We're gonna melt this, and we need this for our topping or designing, whatever that you call it. Just kind of sprinkle, not sprinkle, kind of like horizontal line. It's a little bit warm. And then you will need a toothpick or stick. Just design. You don't need to be a decor. Now let's go ahead and start sprinkling on the edges our crumbled cookie, kind of to give a finished look. This looks absolutely gorgeous. OMG. Well, if you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and also like, share with your family and friends. Now let's go ahead and grab one cookie, just place in the center to kind of decor. If you have the strawberries, you can also put the strawberries in the middle. Now it's all done. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And so let me tell you one thing, if you're planning making this dessert, make sure you invite your family or friends so they can help you eat with you, because this dessert is absolutely dangerous and delicious, because you don't want to eat the whole entire thing by yourself. And especially if you have it or sitting it into your refrigerator, you cannot resist. You might end up eating this whole thing within a day. So well, yeah, so I try to make this once in a month, or like special holidays, or like whenever I have a people over. I try to make it. It is super easy. It doesn't take much of my time. Literally 5 minutes and I'm all done. The next 2 hours I have a dessert ready to eat. Okay, I don't really need to go to the store and stress out what to buy. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video until the end. If you liked it, give a thumbs up and hit the like button. Consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time when I uploaded a new video.